most of my application that I created for payment integration, especially on the server side, I usually will send all those log um, to my Discord channels. So I can monitor it from time to time, who made the transactions and what what exception has been raised and what scenario it is. So without wasting any time, I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Before I do that, I need to mention specifically what discipline that I'm using and what tech stack am I using. So I use Node.js to do that, as my server application is completely written in Node.js, and I'm not using Discord.js to do that. I use Asios, I don't know how to pronounce that thing, that package name. So I use that to make a post request to it is more like a webhook, between my server and Discord. So let's step right in. I'm going to show you step by step. So first, you can open up your favorite IDE, regardless you're using Atoms or whatever. But this is my personal favorite, Visual Studio Code. So we start a project right away. I'm using npm. If you use something else, you can, it's almost the same method. For those people who are using other language, other programming language like Python or PHP, the methodology is almost the same. So since we already created the project, and there are certain configurations that I need to set out, because the discipline that I'm using, I got a habit, I don't like to name my main file as index. So here I'm going to put start wait type module. So the discipline that I'm using, the JavaScript discipline that I'm using for this project, in any project that I code, will be Babel, or other words, ES6, if you know what I'm talking about. Instead of using required, I will be using import from something. You will see that later on. So the package that I'm going to install in this project will be NodeMon, of course, and while this guy is installing, let me create app.js real quick. There you go. Let me write my class. Can I just Discord test? Right. Create a constructor just in case we might need it. So let's go back. From here, I'm going to assume that I already installed NodeMon, and I'm going to run it. Do I have to run verbals? No, I don't think so. Those are unnecessary. There's descriptions. And while we are waiting for the installations of the NodeMon, we can just go to the Discord. There are certain things that we need to do. As you can see, this is my Discord server where I send all those log to the specific channels. We have so many channels over here, right? Well, this is the other project, the webhook from GitHub to my Discord channel. So that will be the other topic for the other day. So today I'm going to mainly focus on this. First, let's skip a step. So first create the server, the Discord server, and create any channels. for the sake of, well, for the sake of this video, let's create something like testing. Well, I'm gonna make it private because I don't want to notify everyone in this group. That would be bad. Testing webhook. Let's create. No, not at the moment. Right, testing webhook. Since you already create the channel, right? Just click on the setting buttons or edit channel. Click on integrations. Click on create webhook, and name the webhook that you want to name. I'm gonna name it. Well, it's kind of a good name. Let's say I'm gonna name it ABC. I don't know. And the picture, I'm going to leave it that way. And yeah, I think pretty much just copy the webhook URL and save it. Make sure you do not share the URL, otherwise you will get a lot of spam from elsewhere, and which is something that I don't want that to happen as well. And well, okay. So without wasting any time, let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. Then did my computer just hang? Damn. Right. So I'm gonna leave the URL here just in case I forgot. The webhook URL. Come on. Right. Yeah, I know it's messy code, but for the sake of demonstrations. So technically, the another package that I would like to have is Asios. I don't know how to pronounce. Oh. I don't know how to pronounce that. Right. Now my terminal is hanging. Well, the guy is loading. Okay. So while the guy is loading, let's create the functions for sending all those messages that you want to send. Usually, for this case, I assume, because I don't know whether it's synchronized or asynchronized, but I'm gonna start with async functions. Let's say log, and the message that you would like to send, and over here there is the link. Okay, I think I forgot. Import your library, right? And test run and see whether it works. I see. I see. Something is wrong over here. Why? Stars? Not even writing stars. Oh. That is the most weirdest part ever. Why is not? Huh? what is not stud is missing? Well, it's weird. Oh, that's weird. It says it's missing. I don't see how. Oh, I see. Ah, stupid mistake. In the wrong directory. So the package that I install is wrong directory? Oh my god. Really, John? Seriously? Oh boy. There's no wonder it says something else. Let me see. Well, looks like it worked. So I'm going to close this. Oh, come on, please kill. Kill the terminal. I don't know why my computer is lagging, especially when I'm using this terminal. Probably I just add command prompt. I use command prompt instead. Probably that works. Right. Let's say so technically what are we going to do here is since we already get the URL, we are going to perform a HTTP post request. Let's create the parameters. Let's say there are two parameters that you are required inside of the webhook. One is the username of the webhook and the content. But the username are not mandatory, but you can directly go for message instead. Let's say like this. I'm going to put in anyway, just for fun. ABC. I name him ABC, right? So the other one will be let respond. Let's say I'm going to return this value to the console as well. So for this case, I'm using async and await. So issues is like this. I'm reading documentation how they. So yeah, the methodology will be. Sorry. Should be single quote for best practice. And the headers, if I'm not mistaken, the content type of the header will be oh shit, no, the content type is not shit. I mean the content type is application JSON, if I'm not mistaken. That's how it works. Let me save this real quick. Come on. And here is where the interesting part. The data, the properties name data is where you insert your parameter. And the URL will be the, what do I name that? Oh, webhook URL. Oh yeah, not to forget, there's one important step. Because this way, the webhook function, whatever you want to call it, not able to read your parameter, your assigned parameter. So make it a string. Oh, come on. stringify the parents, well, forgot the column here, and then from here we return response. Well, it's true, but I'm still going to print out this guy, so this technically solves the issue. And let's try this. Is there any error? No error. Right. Let's create another file. We call it playground. That's not how you spell playground though. Right. From here, I'm going to. Oh wait. Let me execute this guy. First, let's import the Discord from application. Hey, what am? Come on, what am I doing? Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Let me do this. Sorry. This is well, this is fucked up. Should be like this. The other way around. The other way around. Discord from K. Yes. I know that. Quick. So from here, I'm going to let d equals to new Discord. So from here, you're able to see log. I'm going to send, let's say, I'm going to send a message like hello world. Or testing 1, 2, 3. So as soon as I run this, I think we able to receive the message. I believe. Should be. Oh, something is wrong. But what's wrong? No content. Oh damn, no content. Oh yeah, I forgot to save. Why is it no content? There must be something is wrong over here. Oh, probably I just remove this. And just let it over there. My terminal is right here, but it doesn't show anything. It doesn't send to my Discord. That's weird. Let me see what could be the problem. No content. Are you sure? Oh yeah. What is going on? What the heck? message. Let me try. There must be something wrong. I can guarantee that. Let me see. Okay. This is obviously something is wrong. Post. Okay. No content. That's weird. Then cannot be empty. That's weird. This is so weird. Yeah, that is so weird. You see. Because the content type is application JSON. Yes, it is true. But what happened? This is so awkward. There must be something wrong somewhere. Somewhere is wrong. Hmm. Let me test real quick. Something is missing. Something is missing. Hey, wait. This isn't the same thing. What am I thinking? Well, it still say no content. What do you mean by no content? Wait. Also log parameters. That's weird. What is going on? What is going on? Restart. Probably restart. Hmm. That's weird. Something is not right over here. It worked earlier in my other project, but it doesn't work now. What is wrong? Do I have to specifically put inside here? just wait, let me check my Discord real quick. It did send message. Just I did not. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Just click all message. Let's see. Well, it already is success, but it's just I did not realize, and I don't receive any notification at all. So that could be the case. That could be the case. Probably I'm going to demonstrate one more time. You already do that. You already got there. Almost there. And let's go back to where we are. Let me close this real quick. Oh, I see. False alarm. Sorry guys. I should remove this. I should remove this entirely, and I think now should be working. And yeah, come on, spam me, man, spam me. No message. Oh, that's weird. Right, for the sake of testing, let's put this guy into while loop. Because I don't know whether it works. Because it usually in Windows, right? In Windows it usually show a notification over here, but there's none. So I just put this guy in the while loop. Oopsie. Let's go back to the Discord and see what happens. I don't receive anything. Oh. Not receiving anything. What is going on? Let's go back to the Visual Studio. Something must be wrong there. Well, while loop is not working. Probably I just clone a few more. Well, this is not a good practice, but I'm going to try it. So let's go back to Discord. Well, it sent a message consistently. Let me refresh real quick. Let me keep refreshing and see what happens. Let me restart and see. I'm expecting something to come in. Right, it works. Yeah, that's technically how it works. And now I have to delete the project. For those people who would like to know more, I will leave the an URL below in the comment section. You can actually, or comment section or description, you can actually go to my blog. It's even much clearer as I am not good in making videos. So yeah, pretty much it. Yeah, I can show you from my personal applications. Yeah, I need to change the screen real quick. Where is my... Well, this is my personal project. So I'm going to show you how my personal project, the webhook, how it works. I'm going to delete my channel that I just created. Just give me a second. So technically, my methodology is whatever printed in the log console, it will logged here as well. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you, like as soon as I run npm start, you're able to see I will receive notifications as soon as I do this. Come on, it's not running. Come on, you haste. I received it in another phone, but it's not here. That's weird. As you can see, it print this particular message to the console, connected to database, and running server on localhost port 80. And as soon as I go back to Discord, you're able to see all this new message or the